Hey guys, today I would like to talk about how to do leave approval. First, you will receive a notification when there's an employee apply for leave. Click on the notification. You can straight approve or reject the leave. You can also insert a comment. Next, we will share the useful feature in Manager Dashboard. Let's look at the overview. In this overview, you will see total pending leave approval, approved leave, and also rejected leave. SQL leave will also show you on today's leave summary if any employee has taken leave. You will also be able to see on upcoming. Which date have employee apply for leave? Click on the leave type. SQL leave will show you who taken leave. Next, let's look at leave status. You can filter to check approved leave application, rejected leave application, or pending leave application. Let's click on pending. There is one pending leave waiting for approval. You can also directly do the approval on here. Moving on to leave balance. Here we'll be showing every type of leave entitled, brought forward, taken and balance for every employee. Managers can also apply for leave on behalf of the employees. Last, a calendar view can also check on a monthly basic overview. You can click on the selected date to see who has taken leave. That's all of this video. Thank you.